Hey there everyone, welcome to our new video showcasing how to use Discord, the popular forum and discussion app. We've recently launched a UCR student org server that you can use to showcase events and activities, chat with other orgs, and even ask questions to advisors and reference trainings and workshops. If you're familiar with Discord, the invite link has been emailed to officers of student orgs, or if you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the link in the description and in the comments. This video is really meant to help new folks that don't know Discord, so you can jump right into the discussion. First off, if you don't have any account, you'll want to start one. You're going to create one username that is across the entire app. When you see your name, either in a discussion or in the Who's Online panel, right-click to change your nickname. It's recommended that you do first name, parentheses, student org, so we can reference you by name and also know what group you're a part of. It'd save a lot of time that way. You can also set other profile information if you want, like profile pictures, but that stuff is pretty optional. Now, if you're new to Discord, each server has channels inside, like subforums. The first category for our Discord is general, including our catch-all general discussion channel. Chat about anything here. Up next, we have the only moderator-only channel called announcements. You can view and react to the posts, but this is where we're going to post things like deadline reminders, new trainings, things that are usually important for orgs to know. We then have a training suggestions channel. If you've been struggling with bringing vendors to campus and you notice there isn't a step-by-step tutorial video on how to bring vendors, you might drop a line and suggest that we create something. If you have a question, it's likely that many other organizations do too. The Share Highlights channel is a place to brag. Your club just placed in a national tournament or you came back from an international trip. Show off the cool things you've been up to and celebrate others, so react to the good news that others are sharing. The Ask an Advisor channel is exactly that. Drop a question, we'll do our best to answer. And lastly, for this category, we've got channel suggestions. If you feel like there should be a channel just for a certain topic and it doesn't already exist, let us know and maybe we'll create it. Our next category is cluster discussion. This is where groups can meet and mingle with groups like theirs. We recommend everyone start by introducing yourself and what your club does to get the ball rolling. Maybe something collaborative will come out of that. You can also hop into other clusters, like if you're looking to have your members do some community service. Maybe a group in that cluster would be interested. Lastly, our promotions category is a place to share any upcoming events or fundraisers, just letting people know what's going on. Pretty self-explanatory. Now that you have a feel, we'd recommend you bookmark the Discord page on your favorite browser and download the app for your phone so you can easily stay engaged with the conversation. And the more people that join, the more productive this will be. So share with your officers and encourage your eventual replacements to join as well. See you on Discord.